Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive at Carrington, Sydney. Today we just took the DPF filter off. We're going to send it away to get it commercially cleaned. But here's the actual, but what we're doing now, we're just removing the injectors plug shown here. That goes on the injector, that's number 5. This one here. And then what we're doing, we're testing the resistance from the injector to the actual ECU plugs, which is this computer here. We had to drill out the actual bolt because the Audi locks it, so we can't get to it. So after that, we're gonna plug it back in, and then we're gonna go from there. All right. But today we're just checking the resistance of the wiring from the actual injector to the ECU plug to make sure there's nothing wrong with it. All right. We had to get the wiring diagram out, look it up, same time double check our work using the actual diagram. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.